Trust me, dangerous. Been so lost without you all around me. Getting so
Ooh, what did you post? It looks so pretty.
What did you post?
I posted a picture of you. Well, a picture that has a part of you.
In it.
Yeah. We are at Tokyo
Bel Air. Shout out to Tokyo Bel Air. Right?
Should I take pictures of you? I need somewhere to put that in.
Is there nothing?
Wait, can I use the bag? I did not prepare to come here.
Cute!
Right?
don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel I believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. I don't feel the ground.
Thank you.
Bring your ice bucket down to the bottom.
Okay.
It is too much.
So hot.
So point.
It's so hot. Like, it's so hot.
Maybe just, shove that one up
Yeah. Oh shit, sorry. I'm a bit lit right now. Like, this is our last class and then we're leaving. Actually, I can't afford to be tired tomorrow. Bro. A much needed dress. Or two.
It's been a good night, bro.
Yeah, it has been shit. A good day.
It's been a good day.
I mean, we took some pictures
We got
earlier.
some, yes, I got pictures of my portfolio on Sunday, but this is the only day we can have fun.
Dude, this week has been a movie. Like, this week.
Dude.
Nah, this week I'm a soldier after this week.
I need my drug, I need my love. Bitch is burning up in it, sucker soul. I'm in that Tonka, baby, come show me love. I'm fuck with nobody, little bitch, I show you none. I ain't trusting nobody, little bitch, I keep a gun. If a problem come up, you know I'm not gon' run. I'm feeling somebody else, cause we blood like a bomb. Roll them like a bitter, yeah, they smoke them like.
We're at Cilantro's in Sunset, grabbing a meal and a drink. Kinda wanna get oysters.
For real? Do you like oysters?
I've never tried them. I wanna try
They're
them.
so, I hate them. But try
I've never
them.
tried them. That's the thing.
Like, perfect, like,
So I got oysters. I'm trying them for the first time. And also
some squid heads.
squid heads. I'm gonna taste on camera.
Yeah, taste it.
Because
People usually have it with Tabasco.
I'm gonna. Okay, do you want one? Oh, you don't like them, Gambit?
It's not nice, just to be fancy, you know.
Probably great.
Bit disconnected a bit from the shell. And then what people, you don't have to. Can I have Tabasco?
Which
But people
one?
usually use the red one. I mean, do they put the green one though?
I
I
don't
think
know.
it's the green one.
I don't know. I wish we never had any.
Let's try the green.
Okay, wait. You're not in the.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We'll put a bit bit for you. Sorry. And then like a bit for me. And then you basically just slurp it in your mouth. Okay, cheers. We have to cheers again.
Oh my gosh, this is so
Angle.
cute. But anyway.
Cheers. It's actually not bad.
It's just too raw, I can't.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's not the best, but it's not as bad as I remember.
just quick.
This is like
This looks nice.
yeah, this is like calamari vibe, right? And this is like
This is my vibe.
does it look good?
I want it to come this side.
What like?
We tried. So we literally just got our food. My sister's friends joined us, and it's literally her friend and her boyfriend. So I'm not gonna be vlogging that much because you know I don't want to have the camera in people's faces and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen, but we just got our food. We're gonna eat and chill. That's it.
I need my drug, I need my love. Bitch is burning up and suck.
Dude, I'm sick. It's not fun. Don't make me laugh.
I feel so tipsy right now.
Like, what do you think? I don't know what it is. Because I ate before we left. And we ate calamari before we drank. I have a headache. It's number one. One is that I have a headache. Number two is that I'm nauseous. So I don't know if I'm nauseous because I have a headache.
I feel tipsy. If I did some more, it's over.
Dude.
You come show me love. I'm up with nobody, little bitch.
This quality sucks, but I'm scared to take out my camera. But anyway, I'm at Spur having a bit of breakfast before I go to bed. So I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, so I am back home. Last time I saw you guys, I was at the airport, and yeah, I just spent a night in Durban. And then yesterday I came to Richards Bay. I came home. I'm currently busy editing this vlog, and yeah, I've just been like chilling at home, relaxing and stuff, and I'm editing this vlog as well. So yeah, I just wanna catch up a little because like, yo guys, I don't know, this vlog is all over the place. Like, I'm trying to make my vlogs a bit longer, but I'm not finding like time to actually vlog properly. Like, I feel like I've been vlogging in a rush just so I can like put up a video, and I just don't like that. So do forgive me if like my editing is a bit patchy, because it do be like that. Like lately it's been like that, and also just like so frustrating editing on my laptop. Like, I played myself when I bought this laptop. The guy told me that it was like an i3 with a bigger RAM, so it'll edit just as fast as a Core i5 laptop, because I initially wanted like an i5, but they didn't have one in stock. So I paid 11k for this laptop and it's giving me issues now, and I'm so upset. But it's fine. It's just frustrating right now editing on it, but yeah, I'm trying my best to put up videos, and I feel like the longer I make them, also just the more frustrating it is to edit them. And also, I don't know if you guys realized, I've been shooting in CineStyle and kind of just color grading it myself, but honestly that also just makes it a lot harder to edit, because like it's just 10 times more work, you know. So I just switched back to this. So sometimes, you know, it works, sometimes it doesn't, depending on like the lighting in the room or whatever, and the space I'm in. So I don't know, I'll just try and see what works, and I hope you guys will bear with me in the meantime. And yeah, besides that, yeah, I'm also here for like a very short time because I'm going back to work. Production begins again in like 4th of Jan, so by the 2nd of Jan I'm leaving home, and it's literally the 24th today. Like, I'm so sad. Like, I really missed home and I really want to be home longer, but like I gotta get shit done. But anyway, yeah, so please bear with me. I know I've been posting short videos, and yeah, I'm just trying to make it work. I'd rather be consistent with like 11-minute to 15-minute videos than like not posting at all. So yeah. Also, I want to show you guys my bag because I didn't get a chance to show you what I got, but yeah, it's so squashed right now because like I had to put it in my suitcase and stuff. Yeah, I just had too many things with me. But here she is. She's so big. Like, she's so big. On the website it looks so much smaller, but it's actually so big. Let me just unwrap it real quickly. I'm such a small bag type of girl. Like, if you follow my Instagram, you know that I like small bags. If you've noticed, you'll know that I like small bags. But this one is actually big. I love crossbody bags as well. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I don't have a white bag, and I don't have a bag this big, and this is literally so perfect. I think this is how the inside looks. So spacious. Like, I could fit a lot in there. So good. It says it's a crossbody bag, so I'm guessing you can carry it like this as well, or like this as a shoulder bag. That is so cool and convenient. It has even like compartments, I think for your phone or your cards or whatever, and also has an inside zip over here. Let's see. So the zip opens up and stuff. Oh, so cool. I'm not gonna carry it every day, but this is my favorite bag now. I'm gonna try not to carry it as much. It's just a little spoil for myself because yeah, I've literally been working so hard this year and I've achieved so many things that I didn't think I'd achieve, but I did, and I'm just so grateful to God, obviously, but like also it's because of me in a way, because I put in the work and stuff. And yeah, so I decided to give myself this little gift to just, you know, spoil myself and just like, you know, I don't know, spoil myself, and also just like self-appreciation, I don't know what to call it, but like just kind of like motivation to keep on working, because hard work grants you stuff like this and stuff. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys now. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys soon. I wanted to do like a summer days series, but obviously like I'm leaving home, and yeah, I don't know, we're gonna see how it works out, because I was just gonna spend my days at the beach honestly, but we'll see. Also, my lashes are acting wild right now. This is why I hate, okay, I don't hate doing lashes, but like I hate it when they're at this stage, because now my lashes are throwing like gang signs, you know, like they're everywhere, and I hate it when they look like this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah.